Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And today we had a crazy day in the markets. I'm not gonna lie, today I woke up a little bit late because I went to bed at 5 in the morning. Don't ask me why, don't ask me how, but so far on the day we are up $1,000. Nothing bad. Cannot really cry about not making enough money, or not making a lot of money. The ones that are truly, truly printing the fuck out of it. It's gonna be Nvidia, of course, we're still at 83%. I might cut some profits. GH, we are up. How much we are up in GH? We are up 42%. LUMN, we are up 22%. Lemonade Inc., we are up 10%. Then Form, we are up 7%. And Sapphire, we are up 6%. Before anything, I took Form today. That's the only stock that I took today, and I'll show you why. I'm also waiting for the break of structure on AMKR so I can go in. But so far, we got Form FORM. And this was on my watch list on my last video. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just go to my last video. You guys are gonna be able to see. But I'm gonna go and just rerun it really quick. You know I need my Celsius. I slept like 5 hours and I'm still drinking Celsius. What the hell? Okay, before anything, now that we're here. So form. Really simple strategy. Let me get rid of this. So with FORM, what we had going up is that this stock went up. This stock went up like a good 30-40%. And once we actually reached a 30-40% threshold, what we did is we waited for the stock to actually retrace back to the 10 SMA. We did right here, but the volume, there was not enough volume, so I didn't take it. So what ended up happening was I actually took it on this day. Fuck. Okay, right here. Due to the fact that you guys can see the volume, there's no way that you guys cannot see the volume. So the volume is pretty much, it's outrageous. You guys cannot tell me that that volume doesn't look better than the past week and a half. So what we did is form actually went up 40%. Then it retraced back to the 10 SMA. The SMAs are all stacked up in order. You got a 10, 21, 50, and 200 SMA. And then after that, what we have is going to be break of structure. So right here, we were always rejecting this price right here, which is 44.29. Since we were rejecting like not once, not twice, not three, four, around 5 times. Let me just highlight it so you guys can see everything and what I'm talking about. Boom. That's a whole week worth of rejection. Now, as soon as we broke it with a shit ton of volume. Of course, I took my first entry this day, and I'll show you why. I'll show you how. So I took it this day, and my stop loss is at the low of the day, which in this case is going to be this one right here. Let me switch this up to red. And you guys can go back to my, I think it's my first or second video. I'm talking about form and how it was going to blow up. And what do you know, the next day it just blew up 40%. So if you guys want to know more about stocks, if you guys want to know the next stock that's gonna blow up, I'm not saying that I'm a genius. I just do and I follow whatever the market is telling me. So in this case, we blew up 50-40% in just a day and a half, which is crazy. As you guys can see, you guys are not gonna tell me this is not an insane risk to reward. I was risking $200 and I made roughly around $4,000 already just with form. Now that we have that out of the way, now we are setting up once again. Let me remove this. How are we setting up, you may ask, and thank you for asking before anything. We have made a huge move up to the upside, as you guys can see. Second requirement, we have the EMA stacked up. I mean, SMAs. I don't know why I keep saying EMAs. We got the 10, 21, 15, 200 stacked up in order. That means that we are on a bullish momentum. By the way, this is the daily time frame. I forgot to tell you guys that. I trade on the daily time frame. I see my setups on the daily time frame, and in the 1 minute, I take my trades. Now, going back, so we have the EMAs, the SMAs stacked up all in order. What's happening right here is that as soon as we touch the 10, look at this volume. It's way greater than the other days. Look, this volume right here is way greater than the other days. And the candle, it's a hammer candle. So if I missed this trade back on Friday, but if I would have taken this trade, it would have been something like this. I would have taken this and the stop loss all the way at the end of the day. We got that, and now this right here. And you can be conservative and just aim the highest point that we have ever gotten, which is 6110. And you're gonna be targeting a 3, 4, 5, a 5 to 1 risk to reward, which is nuts. Now, granted, I did not enter this day. I entered today, so my entry is around, yeah, rough around here. I entered a little bit late, and of course, low of day is gonna be my stop. And I'm not targeting the highest point. What I'm gonna be targeting is gonna be pretty much as the market can give me. If the market is gonna give me 10%, I'll take 10%. If the market is gonna give me, who knows, 100%, I'll take 100%. So far, form is setting up nice. Now let's go and fuck it. You know what? I was gonna go through LUMN, but I feel like I have done a shit ton of videos about LUMN that it doesn't even make sense right now. So what I'm gonna do right now is easy. I'm gonna go based on my watch list, what kind of criteria I see on every stocks before I enter. And from there, guys, you guys can pretty much see my whole strategy. I'm gonna go and scan every individual stock on my watch list, and I'll let you know if I'm gonna take it or not. So let's go into Plus. Apparently Plus is doing well. Oh, I marked it. Ah, fuck. I marked it on Friday and I fucking missed it. Ah, fuck. I missed. How many points is that? I missed it. I fucking missed it. I missed 17%. It is what it is. Fuck. And this was on my watch list on Friday. Well, fuck it. RGI. Apparently RGI is doing good. Let's go RGI. Let's see what we got on RGI. My bad, my fucking dumbass. RIG. Oh. We might be taking it today. We might be taking it today. Uh, I'm taking it. I'm taking it right now. We have made a huge move to the upside. We came back down to the 10. Not as much as volume as I want to see, but that's good enough volume. And we have broken structure and we are holding structure on the 1 minute. Now I'm gonna go into my calculator and I'm gonna input the following number just so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is my calculator. So I'm gonna put entry price, I'm gonna put at 418, 4.18. Stop loss, we're gonna put at the low of day. In this case, it's gonna be 397. 3.97. Calculate. I can go in with 859 shares. 859 shares. Fuck it, let's run it. 859 shares. Trade. RGI. Buy. Markets. 859 shares. Review order. 859 shares. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and put my stop loss right this second. So I'm gonna go down. First of all, we're still up $1,200, not bad. Now I'm gonna go down right here. Where the fuck is that RGI? Trade, sell, sell all. You always gotta put your stop loss because you don't know if this is gonna go down. And by the way, with the calculation that we made, based on my account size, I'm only allowed to risk $200. Meaning, worst comes to worst, I'm only gonna be losing $200, but best case scenario, I'm gonna be making 1,000 plus, which that's a phenomenal risk to reward. Oh, now let's go back here. Okay, so now stop limit right here is gonna be at 397. So stop limit is gonna be 3.97. Stop limit at 3.97. And that is pretty much it. That is it. That's now all I gotta do is just set and forget. That is pretty much it. There's pretty much nothing that we can do as of right now. It's either gonna hit our stop loss or it's gonna go and fly. We really do not care, to be quite honest. Okay, let's move on to the second one. Let's move on to the next stocks. See if we have something else coming up. So we have PARR. I'm not really familiar with that stock, but fuck it. PAA. Oh no, PARR. We are late. We're not really late. Um, Volume can be a little bit better, but the one thing that is definitely making me want to buy this is the fact that we broke it and that we are holding this level 4183. As you guys can see, we have been rejecting this level for the past week and a half ish, and we have made a move to the upside already. We came back down to the 10. This day was not the best. This day not the best. That day, this right here would have been one of the best days for us to take it. So, other than that, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually a good one. Let's go out and take it. So let's go and do our calculations. Nothing changes, same thing. Let's go into our calculations. We're always gonna be risking 0.5% of our accounts. Now, it's gonna be 43.51. Yeah, 43.51. 43.51. Stop loss is gonna be at the low of day. In this case, the low of day is gonna be right here at 40.29. 40.29. 40.29. We are not bad, 2,500, so I can only buy 58 shares. Let's go and get it done. Let's go and get it done, because this is how we make money. You see, guys, how fast I move? Majority of these motherfuckers will actually look at this trade that we're like, okay, the SMAs are crossing up. You got the RSI, you got the MACD, you got the volume, you got the 1 minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame. Fuck that. Why the fuck do I want to know all of that? You're just confusing yourselves. 58 shares. Oh, fuck. PARR. PARR. Boom, 43, 47. It came down a little bit, did it? 43, 48. Yeah, 43, 47. Okay, but all good. So we're going to buy it. We're going to put market and 58 shares. That is pretty much it. Place. That's it. Now place our stop. Let's see. So far, same amount. Place our stop loss. PARR. PARR. Sell. Sell all. Stop limit. Good till cancel. Stop loss is going to be at 40.29. Once again, 40.29. And that is pretty much it. Now that we have that out of the way. Oh, so far these are going up a little bit. Okay, we'll take it. Why the fuck did it close that? There you go. Let me just send this on my community, saying that I took it. Okay, now let's go and check some other stocks. I'm probably gonna go into one more because I definitely wanna reserve some cash just in case if I find a perfect setup. You guys gotta realize once you find your perfect setup, you can put more risk and it's gonna be a lot better. These setups are good, but due to the fact that we don't have enough volume, we did have enough volume this day. But what I want to see is volume the day prior. In this case, the day prior is gonna be this right here. It's good. It could be better, but if we had a lot more volume, I can easily put 1 or 2% of my whole account. I'm probably gonna go in one more. Let's see. We got TVTX. TVTX. My bad. Let's go TVTX. TVTX. Oh wow. Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. I'm liking this. I am liking this, especially the volume in this day. We fucked up. We should have taken on that day. I'm liking this. So far we have missed a huge percentage. We have missed. Oh, not bad. We have missed 2%. Okay, Ben, we're good on this one. Let me send this on my community. Okay, so this one's TVTX. Once again, let's go and do our calculations. As you guys can see, all these shit is just repetitive and everything like that. Let me set up the stop loss right here. It's gonna be at the low of day. It's gonna be at 32.31. Okay, now that we have that, let's go and put that right here. 32.31. Entry is gonna be at, what's our entry price right now? Entry price is gonna be at 34.12, well, 34.09. 34.09. I can go in with 3,400, 101 shares. I'll take that. 101 shares. Now we're gonna go here, stocks, TVTX, buy market 101 shares. That is pretty much it. Boom, boom, boom. Placed order. Boom, boom, boom. 101 shares. Oh, we just reached $1,200 officially on the day. TVTX. Trade. We're gonna set up a stop loss. Sell all. Sell stop limit. Price market. And their stop loss is gonna be at the low of day right here, guys, on the daily time frame, 32.31, and on the 1 minute time frame, 32.31. Okay, 32.31, 32.31. Okay, so 32.31, 32.31. TVTX, sell, stop limit. We are good. Boom. That is it. Let's see. Okay, going up. I like it. I like it. Anything else that we got going on? APPN. Let's look at APPN. Oh fuck, we missed this. Oh wow, we missed this. Let me put this on my watch list. Actually, APPN. Fuck yeah, we definitely missed this. We blew, I think, 20%. I don't really want to know. Fuck that. HQY. Nope, I do not like it whatsoever. Okay, so the reason why I don't like this, first of all, it's a clear example on my whole strategy. So first of all, we gotta have to make a move to the upside. This case, we're not making a move to the upside. Second of all, fuck. Second of all, the EMAs are all fucked up, as you guys can see. We got the 200 on the top, then we got the 10, 21, and 50. First of all, if every single SMA is under the 200, that's a bad signal. That means bearish momentum. Now, granted, this whole thing can actually flip the other side and go straight to the top, but at the same time, as of right now, we are in a bearish uptrend. You do not want to fight the market. You do not want to fight the flow. You want to stay with that flow. So in this case, if this is showing bearish momentum, most likely gonna go to the bottom, and I don't like it whatsoever at all. Okay, next one's gonna be NAMS. 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 I like it. I like the volume. I don't like the wick, how the wick is forming. I really don't. I'm gonna put it on my watch list. I don't like the wick though. Next one's gonna be. Damn, we have a lot of stocks going on. Um, GRAL. Funny enough, I made money from this one already. The fuck? G- I don't like it. Next one's gonna be Frog. We're late, extremely late for that one. Next one's gonna be FLNC. Fun enough, I took this trade already. I took it all the way this day, and I made like 40%, and then it stopped me out this day, and then it just kept on going. But so far, it's not looking bad. I like it. Actually, I like it. So we were looking at FLNC. I really don't like how the candle is playing itself. That's the thing. If we break this highs, I'm gonna take it. Let me create an alert. That is it for now. I'm not even looking at it. Let's go into SEDG. This was on my watch list. This was on my watch list. I missed it. You cannot do anything about it when you miss it. Let's see. And as you guys can see, this has been rejecting this zone for the past week. We're gonna have maybe 2 weeks. But let me see if I'm able to go in with how many shares right now. So entry price, let's say entry price is gonna be at 46.37, 46.37. Stop loss is gonna be at 41.15, 41.15. I'm only ever going with $1,700. It doesn't make sense for me whatsoever. Let me go into another one. PL has also been on my watch list. I don't like it. I don't like how the EMAs are just crossing and whatnot. Next one's gonna be GHC. GHC. I don't like it. The 50 is all over the place with the no fuck no. Next one's be LB. I don't like it. The 200 is on top of every single EMAs. I don't like that. Next one's be PBF. PBF. Okay, I'm interested in this one. It's just that it already made the move and I missed it. Worst comes to worst, this day could have been a good deal. Let's say if we would have taken it this day, that right here would have been my stop loss of $200, and so far we could have been up $1,000 in just 4 days, which is nothing. I mean, you see, guys, everything's so simple. Look at this. Um, let's go and check this out. We got Hassie. Which we missed it. We missed it. Fuck it. Now we got VIPs. Nope. Next one we got Pony. Pony has been on my Okay, no, this shit. I don't like it at all. Oh, it's not Pony. It's PGNY. PGNY. I confused the O for a G, but the G for a no. My bad. I still don't like it. The EMAs are all fucked up. We got AT. Um, we might be taking this. Okay, FLNC just broke our target. FLNC. Now let's go and check it out. You know what? Why the fuck? Nah, let's go and take it. FLNC. We are taking FLNC, and that might be the last trade that I'm taking today. Low is gonna be at 40, 21, 27. Let's put it a little bit lower than that. Low 2127 FLNC. Let's see if I'm able to put more than $3,000. I'm more than willing to actually dump that amount of money. 2232, 22.32, 22.33. Well, fuck it. Stop loss is gonna be at 2127, 21.27. $3,000 and 800. Fucking loving it. 170 shares. So you guys can see right here, 170 shares. Let's go and lock in this trade real quick. FLNC, buy, market, 170, 170, boom, boom, boom. FLNC, market, and that is it. Now let's go and right after I bought it, look at this wick right here. Well, we went down $200, not bad. It is what it is. FLNC, trade, action, sell, sell all, stop limits, good to cancel, and 2127, 21.27, 21.27. Okay, perfect. Now that we have that out of the way, we have stop loss at 2127, 2127, and 2127. Perfect. Good to cancel. That is it. Let me just put this on my community, and that's it. So FLNC. Stop loss at 2127. Okay, let's see. Do I still have some buying power? I have like an extra $10,000 of buying power. Let's see if I see something that I really like, I might enter. So we got Lyft. Oh, we fucked up. We were supposed to buy like around here. Oh, we fucked up so bad. Actually, not really. No, not really. If we can, let's see. Activate. I might be taking Lyft today. I might. If the calculation makes sense, I might be taking it. Let's see. Stop loss is going to be at the low of day. In this case, it's going to be at 2217, 2217, 22.17. Okay, 158 shares. I'm going in with 158 shares on Lyft right now. 158 shares on the morning. I could have taken this with maybe 7,000 shares. My bad, $7,000. All good. 158 shares. Let's go and take it. 158 shares on Lyft. We got buy market 158. That's boom, boom, boom. That is it. Now let's set up the stop loss, and I think I'm good for the day. Lyft 22.17 and 22.17. But I think I'm done for the day right now, to be quite honest with you guys. Let me just send this on my community. That is pretty much it. Now let's go and refresh the page to see how much money we made or how much money we lost in the past 45 minutes that we have been making this video. Uh, I'm breaking even so far, not bad. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I hope that you guys learned something. Please, if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see what I do on a day-to-day basis. If you guys want to see my personal life, and also if you guys want to see anything at all, just send me a DM on Instagram. I'm always replying to my DMs. Other than that, guys, I hope that you guys had a lot of information. This information is what's gonna turn you into a profitable trader, and I hope that you guys make money. Peace.